Hey, welcome back to Space Engineers. Chimo here. Well, I discovered something. We got magnetic boots. I can actually walk in here as long as I'm down on the metal floor. Well, I discovered we can. Why those Gatling guns I had up on top weren't firing. Uh, I didn't have it connected up. You can see the blue pipe. That wasn't in there. So I put in an assembler here because I didn't have pipes. I've been running back and forth down to the planet to get materials. And yeah, the ship is still loaded down. And the pirates are still out there, but they've been staying away. I want to build a couple more turrets on this before I do any kind of building. And this is in my way. It's easier to fly in and out without it. Plus we got to get up on there. And I got to open here. I want to put 2 more turrets back here. Can I walk up this? Yeah. Hopefully without flying off. I'm going to put a turret here and a turret there. Oh, I think I like better flying. Let's see if we can build those. I'm hoping I have enough materials. Flying in space is not for me, I tell ya. 50 computers, well, I have them. I know I do. I brought tons of materials up. It's still loaded in the ship. And I'm hoping we're pulling from the ship. Everything was there. Why did they tell me we didn't have it? I don't know. I don't care. Now, under black weapons, I know we can't do the assault turrets. Oh, let's get rid of this. Because I'd like to put these in, but I don't think it'll let me. I think we have to go with the Gatling turrets. Let's go with 5. See if it'll let me put these. Oh, see. Oh. It will? No, because I have to have... Oh, it's a big block. Oh. That's the problem. It takes up that much space. I would have to move it out 1 more. You know what? That's fine. These are 1400 range. I like the range. If I have to remake this, I will. Because I want the range. The range is important. Because if it takes them out from a better distance, I like that idea. Oh, not that way. No, this is what I want. Would that be enough? No, where is my circles? Let's see. Salt cannon. Is that what I wanted? Was salt cannon? Uses salt cannon. No, that wasn't what I wanted. Block weapons. No, it's auto cannon, not assault cannon. Yeah, see, this is the one that uses the small one. It's only 800. Wonder what about that assault cannon. Deals decent damage to armored targets. Does this thing swivel? Oh, well, it went on that. It looks like it swivels. Why won't it pop on that? Is it because it's not built? Let's see. Oh, get in a hole. I hope I didn't run out of computers. I'm just gonna have to make some assault cannon ammo. Now where you go on there? Oh, okay. What do you need? I think I have all that. And now I just have to build up the base of it. Anything to give us better defense on this thing. I know it's got a slower rate of fire. I need to take out somebody's roof things just to get in and out easier. Boy, you're taking up a lot of resources. I don't know if I have them all. Large tube. Yeah, I got large tube. I brought over a whole bunch of them. Really? Now you want motors? Make up your mind what you want. At least those Gatling guns are active finally. But these guys, I don't think I have the ammo for them.
Energy low.
Fine. Let me sit in the cab for a second. Come on, rejuice me up. I really got to make a med bay up here. Come on. Come on, one more click. 962, 961, 960. Are you coming in? Looks like you are. Oh man, come on. At least the Gatling guns on top of the ship are now active. Oh, I'm not going to be a sitting duck here. There's no way. Come on, man. I'm still fully loaded. I didn't get a chance to unload. Oh, and I got one coming at 6. This is my ride home. You guys didn't bother me when I made those 2 trips up here. I wonder if that's the big vessel. I didn't put the railgun on this thing. I should have. Shall we go after him? Might have to go back down to the planet for repair, but he's being a pain in the butt. Where's he at? There he is. Yeah, he's coming in. We're gonna play it smart though. If it's the big guy, we're running. I like fighting the pirates, but you're not going after my big ship. Not until it's fully finished. Actually, we should draw him into the big ship. It's got a longer range. These things only got 600, it's got 8. Wonder what your range is. The other one's coming in at 5 too. Alright, I got a little armor on this side. Alright, let's go full throttle now. You're gonna get the armor side. Come on, guys, target him. Whatever it is, target. We got 5 guns. What the heck? Where'd he go? He just cloaked. Is there cloaking in this game? How could they disappear? You know, is that my ship? Or is that something else? Where'd my ship go? That can't be my ship. No, it's iron. Where'd my ship go? That is not my ship, is it? This is 2 signals. That might be. Yeah, it says antenna. Well, that's a bummer. Watch him come up from behind now. That was a major bummer. I was all set to kill a pirate. And he chickened out at the last minute and disappeared. Alright, I gotta finish building that one turret. See how that thing works out. We'll have to get some ammo for it. Cheating pirates. Yeah, I seen you flash at 4 kilometers. I'm not going after you. You're just wasting my time. Make me burn up my fuel. Chickens. Oh. Why are my engines on again? You know, I keep turning these things off, and they keep turning on every time I walk away. Is that some kind of glitch or something? Or are they coming in here and turning my engines on for me? They trying to steal my ship? Well, I'm ignoring you pirates. I think you want my ship. I don't think you can get near my ship though because of the turret. Turrets are now active. But I have to go back in here every time and turn them off. I don't know what it is. Oops, wrong one. Now, if somebody can tell me what the heck this is, why it does this. I would love to know. Or if there was a way I could stop this from doing it. Yeah, look. It's on again. Okay. Alright. What was I doing? Oh yeah. I think we still need the resources. Why can't I get them? Oh, you're getting closer. You trying to shoot me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why don't we have them? Let me go back in the ship. I know that we're in here. Did I pull everything out? There's that. Said something about missing computers. Didn't I bring enough computers? Don't tell me I didn't get enough computers. No, I guess not. Well, that is disappointing. Ah, never a dull moment around here. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and take this out here. This is my passageway cut through. And I need to do something with this. Let me get some steel. I know I have steel in here. Yes, I do. 100 steel. And you give me 30 of them, huh? Okay. Please stay away from me.
Inventory full.
Yeah, I knew you were going to say that. How did I know that? Because I took too much, that's why. Let's go put back some of this steel so I can cut some of this stuff out. Oh, I could have put it in any box really, but... Wow, that really don't take much out. I want to start rebuilding this with some heavy plating. Because these funky patterns really don't work, and I don't think we need the landing gear either. Because I don't think we're landing anytime soon. Man, they wreaked havoc on this front. Look at how much damage. Most of these are got this little bend to them. See, 93. I mean, it's not really too bad. 42, 71. But like I said, I want to do heavy plating. I really like the way it looked, though. But I am going to go heavy plating. Well, that wasn't built. Oh, that's what do you call it? Batteries.
Inventory full.
Hey, at least you float there. I don't have to worry about... Come on, get in the hole. I don't have to worry about it falling to earth. You know, drop all this. Since I am taking them out. Go up and over, it's easier. I'm going to make you guys heavy plate. I might do the same design because I really did like it. I'll tell you one thing, I really like the blue color. And these are not going to stay That's going to be a fun one to remove. And the bottom, I don't know if I want to change the bottom or just put the heavy plating on. Let's go ahead and drop this. Go to all blocks. Give me the heavy blocks. Yeah, I'm just going to put heavy plating on that. Can't remember how I had it. I think it was something like that. No, you weren't there. I think I had... That's number 5, right? I had another heavy block in here. That's what I had. Something like that. Because I did want to put a walkway out here because we had the door there. Well, what does that take? Now see, these are a lot different. Because this takes 135 steel compared to 20 steel. So it's definitely a lot stronger. You guys are not tearing into... What does plating take? Just out of curiosity. No, gee, not 1. 15 and 5. Yeah, see, there's a big difference. So if I plate the bottom, the only bad thing is you can't put nothing on it. So I wouldn't mind using this because with the 4 engines, even after we close it up, having 4 engines on here, this thing might be able to land. You know what? Take this out. Let's go put a heavy plate there too. Nah, you know, we're going to have to use the ship to weld these. Yeah, I like that. I really do like that design. And I might close it up like that. I mean, it does close the interior, but I'm not worried about that. Now, with these not being heavy plate down there, that's okay. Might compromise us a little bit. That's all right. Actually, we could change. Oh, keep forgetting I can't drop down. I could change this and this to the, no, not these, to these. Because that's what I think I had. Not as thick, but... And then less chance of them trashing through into here. Because I might, like in here, put 2 batteries in here. Because that's originally what I thought about doing there. This way we have plenty of power in here. Because right now, we only have 4 batteries, and they're at half charge. Yeah. Alright, that's not bad. And then we're gonna probably keep this going all the way up like that. Oh, get off the stairs. We'll keep it going up like that to close the front and use the same kind of design. I mean, that's not bad, really. Let's see. Let's see how ugly it looks if we did this. And that's going to be solid. I am not leaving that open to warfare hits. I know it's going to look ugly, but I'm not worried about ugly anymore. More worried about function. No, down. Actually, these could be angled. Yeah, they could. How did we close? Oh, yeah, see, that's not going to close that gap there. Alright, we got to figure out how to close that gap. Let's see. Yeah, see, that actually is not going to work like that. Unless we did something like this. Then it gives a little design there. Yeah, it's not too bad, but it doesn't, like I said, it's not going to close that gap. That gap at the top. Might have to do a solid block there. And then this one, it's, I mean, I know it's really hard to see these. Alright. And then that was, there was nothing there. That was just solid. But we gotta do something with those too, because those,
energy low.
again, energy low. At least I'm not getting shot at. That's why I need med bay in there. But I said, doing this, when I do this on my own, yeah, I sit here for hours. But since I'm not going really fancy, I decided to just go solid. I thought these things took... Yeah, it does. It takes metal grids. Alright, that would be solid there, but we don't have solid here. So since we stopped there, if we got rid of that, no, just go solid. Solid there. And then we can put that there. It gives a little fancy design, and that closed that off. Okay. Not trying too fancy. Alright, we got to do something with these now. That means we could... Oh, no, can we get rid of that? It's hard to see when they're not completed, you know? Alright, let's get rid of this for now. Because I think I'm closing off this corner here. Alright, we have that on that structure there. I might get rid of that so we can box this right here. I mean, it takes off a little bit here. That has to be there. Does this have to be here? No, that does not. This does not at this rate. That has to be there as a box. Or does it? Will that fall if I take this off? No. What can we put in there? No. Alright, turn it this way. Alright, let's see what that looks like out there. That's that. Alright, I'll have to go out the door. I don't know which one it was. That sucks. Oh man. Because it all looks the same. You know, I gotta stop messing with stuff that I can't see. Because it was... I don't even know which one it was now. It was this one. Alright, screw it. Alright, these two were boxed, right? And it was to these. Alright. Oh, it has to be... does it have to be... Yeah, we'll just leave it as a box. I don't care. Getting to the point where it's going to get frustrating. Because I can't see anything. Oh, can't rest on this one? Nope, because it's damaged. Alright. Well, let's do this. Get rid of this. And this. And this. We'll go to 5. That is 5, right? Yeah. Do that. That. Okay. That closed that off. Okay. That blocks that, and then we got this here. Alright, we'll put some kind of fancy designer. We'll 45 that, because I think I might get rid of this extension here. I don't like so much glass here. No, I'm fully loaded. Don't do that. It'll just end up floating there. But yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of this corner. Because this is getting a little bit hectic. And if I do all that, I might not be putting batteries in there. Won't have access to it. Is that damage? Why are you still sizzling then? Oh. You're damaged too? Shouldn't be sizzling if... Oh. You need a shitload of steel plate. There. Alright, all these are going to go because these have no strength whatsoever. I'm going to do the same thing over there to here. Well, I'm not going to bore you guys with that. That is going to be welded by the ship because that just needs the steel plates, a whole shitload of them, and metal grid, which I will load up from the ground. These, I wonder if I can change these out. What do we got here? I will probably find something that'll fit that a little bit better. So it's not up on the stairs like this. Not that it makes much of a difference. Alright, I can walk here. I ain't got no steel plates. Did he break this glass? No. He just trashed all this. Yeah, I want to get rid of that extra side there. This I'll fix. Because this is going to be our control deck. I just slapped that there to get some control of this ship. Got a frog in my throat. Alright. Oh, you must have got a lift off there. Alright, let me put this back in here. There. All the stuff I've picked up. And since I did fix this, by the way. This was our problem. Not having a connection across here to the hydrogen tanks. to fire these things up. As soon as I leave here, these things are going to fire up again. I did take out a couple boxes that I needed to do that. I didn't have the materials for it. And I did put an assembler in here because I needed to make small pipes because I forgot to bring small pipes up here. Well, anyways, I'm going to call it here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So, we are slowly getting there. I think my next trip up, I am bringing nothing but steel plates and iron grid, or steel grid, to get this side built so we can see what it looks like, so we can start working on that. This whole roof is going to come off. This whole roof is going to be heavy plated. And I'm just going to put the metal plates, the heavy plate, over the top of this. I'm not going to try and take this out because I think that would be too unproductive. I might take these out and make these the heavy plates, or the heavy box, because it is a lot stronger. But I might have to turn these on to get some power in here. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you can see what we're doing to our ship to get this thing ready to go. And I'm not sure when we're gonna leave this planet, but pretty soon we are. We're gonna check out some of the other planets over here just to see what the planets have. And once we do, then we might, well, we're gonna search around first. Since this has a better antenna and ore detector on it, we're gonna see if we can find some uranium around, because I'd really love to have the reactor in here instead of running these. We're gonna keep these, of course. I'd like to put a reactor in here for the batteries, because we got 4 in here right now. I got 2 set up here. I think 6 batteries might be enough for us. Then again, it might not. Who knows? Well, we'll see. But, as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Space Engineers. This is Gmo, signing out for now. Until next time. Alright, everybody. Bye-bye for now.